Welcome, my name is Pavel from Eupry Operations, and in today's video I would like to show you how to install a data logger into your Eupry monitoring web app. First of all, you need to go to app.eupry.com. After that, you will need to log in with your email and with your password. After that, if you do not have any location, you will need to create a new location. So let's create a location now. We can call it test location. You can add some description. That's fine. Save. Good. We have now already entered this location. So let's go back and we can see test location is right here. We enter now test location and we will need to add a profile. Imagine that test location should be like a building or a lab, and profiles should be, for example, freezers or fridges that you're going to be monitoring. So in this case, we have test location and we can create a profile. Let's call it fridge 007. Very interesting. We have now already entered this profile, fridge 007. We can see there is no data at the moment. Good. Now we have entered the location, test location, and the profile, fridge 007. Afterwards, we can add our data logger by clicking Add Data Logger. We can select the profile, which is going to be fridge 007, and we will need to use the installation key. Conveniently, I have prepared my installation key right here. I will copy it. You can find the installation key on the document that you have received with your Eupry package. If you do not have the installation key, please contact Eupry support at eupry.com. You can always contact us via this mail. In this case, I have the installation key. I will copy it. I will insert it here and I will save it. Just a moment. Perfect. Now we can see our data logger Ronald. Now we can see Ronald's data from the last upload. We can see that the next upload is going to be 431. That is very nice. Remember that by default, the default Eupry upload interval is every 12 hours, unless you have requested some special settings from Eupry support, just so you are aware. Good. So now if we go into our home, we can see now Ronald in the list of our data loggers that we are monitoring. It is uploading his last measurements, and we can see Ronald by going into test location and fridge 007. More information about Ronald can be seen in the view data logger section. We can have a quick look. I can see the barcode, the calibration certificate. One little comment: in case that you have an external sensor that is connected to Ronald, then you can find the certificate for the external sensor in this section. But in my case, I do not have any certificate for external sensor because there is no external sensor attached. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.